obvious thing is the refuse, the trash that's thrown out. And before the days of municipal trash pickup, most of this stuff went kind of right out the kitchen-L door or right out the front door, depending on the layout of the building, and thrown out for the farm animals to root through. So you're throwing out any food scraps or waste, but then any incidental trash, the dishes that you broke that day, may get tossed out with them. Which really isn't very much.
Yeah.
You know, in any, there's value in what we learn about them. Some of it's just the dating clues. If you excavate, you know, this house is 1785. The things that they were throwing out in 1785 are going to look very different from what Thomas Jefferson threw out in 1785. And so there's that kinds of comparisons that we do. Hand-painted creamware cup. A teacup. And so this is the rim right here. And so it would have sat upright like this on the teacup. And the other pieces that we have are, you know, a few nails, a few pieces of window glass, a few pieces of pretty nondescript redware, nails. This is a machine cut nail, which was the most common nail through the 1800s. They started being manufactured in the late 1700s and replaced hand-forged nails. It's learning about New England. It's learning how people brought with them, you know, the culture that they had brought with them, in this case from Great Britain, either England or Scotland or Ireland, depending on just where the different people came from that settled here.
Yes, not diagnostic for sure.
It's a little bit diagnostic. It's molded and it's not machine made. It was blown into a mold by a glass maker, but that puts it as it could be as recent as the 1920s and still using some of that technology on a panel bottle like that. But it could go back to the middle of the 19th century too.